2013 F150 3.5 EcoBoost, towed in for stallable driving. It came in, the gas gauge, as you can see right now, shows to be fairly low. That's after me adding $20 worth of fuel. And it does say fuel low. It wouldn't start for me until I put fuel in it. Then I got the vehicle to start, but it's misfiring and running very, very rough. So I did a cylinder power balance, found out cylinder 3 was a primary cylinder. Went to that cylinder and did a compression check. Well, actually, before I did the compression check, the plug looked terrible. So I put a new spark plug in, and it didn't correct anything. So then I checked the coil for spark. The coil was firing. And so then I pulled the plug out and did a compression check. Compression test result, well, cranking compression test results were pretty much 0 PSI in cylinder number 3. Used a borescope camera and looked in the cylinder. I see a lot of carbon deposits, big chunks kind of hanging out in there. It's definitely wet from fuel, injectors firing. Is it spraying right? Is it dribbling? I don't know. I do know that the compression test shows that there's a sealing problem. So it could be a valve seat problem, could be a cracked piston, could be a number of different things. I don't have any interest to tear into the motor. I do not do that. I'm not the guy for that. I can diagnose one and I can pinpoint it. I just don't spend my days into rebuilds. So especially on this motor, I hate to be negative, but I'm not a fan of the 3.5 EcoBoost. But here we are. I'm going to start it up. Hey, it runs. It came in not running. All I need is $20 in fuel. You can hear the misfire through the exhaust. You can see the shake. I disabled all the other cylinders so we can see what cylinder 3 is going to produce.